Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an interesting person that you have not met in person and would like to meet. Yes.
Well, now I am telling you about an interesting person. He's a social worker, and his name is Muhammad Ali. Last month, my friend told me about him. Recently, he started a charity organization in our hometown, which helps children, which helps children suffering from leukemia, and mostly children are uh, on the last stage of cancer and might not be able to see their next birthday. And Mr. Ali is now biggest hope for these children. Mr. Ali also run more than 10 schools for orphan childrens with a lot of facilities like modern libraries, laboratories, and canteens free of cost. And I also heard about he was in childhood he was very poor, and his life story is very interesting and moral, and it create me very passionate for knowing about his life story for make.
Okay, thank you. Overall, your answer is fine, although there are grammatical mistakes, but the thing is okay. Now, one more thing. You need to connect your answer with the main topic. Topic is describe an interesting person. So you need to use the word this person is very interesting. I want to know more about him. And then you have not met and you would like to know more about. Now you can say, I would like to discover about his life. I don't know about his childhood, so I want to know further about his childhood. So that discovery part should also be mentioned clearly. It's not that only you pick up a person and you start talking about the person. You say, this is the person, I know him, but I would like to meet him personally and I would like to discover about his life. Someone told me he has written a book about his life, so I would love to read that book. Something like that, okay? So try to connect your answer with the main topic, then it'll be better. Thank you.